Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have the most wonderful day. Today guys, I want to show you the nano pods, but the Wednesday version. These are relatively new. They're for age 3 and above, so just always be mindful of that. But I thought these were super adorable. I don't know if you guys have watched the Wednesday Netflix show, but I have loved it. Loved it, loved it, loved it. And I do know that series 3 has been confirmed. So that is a bonus for me. But these nanopods are super cute. They have all of the characters, and I'm going to be honest, I really am terrible with the names. So hopefully there is a collector's guide inside that tells me what the names are. Some of them I know, some of them I don't. But in this series, there are 12 to collect. I've purchased 6, and I want to do this unboxing with you guys so that you can see who we get. If I don't get all the characters, I am committed to getting them all. I mean, there are only 12, so that's not huge, really. But I'm committed to getting them all, and I hope, fingers crossed, everybody, for me, that I don't get dupes. I do not like dupes. So let's go ahead and open them and see who we got. First one, sticky off. So in our first one, and I don't know if these, guys, 1 second, I'm just going to get something that helps me open them a little bit. Okay, I got it. I don't know inside if they are, a surprise or whether they're open. I'm really not sure, but this is how they look. I've never opened a nano pod before. Oh, it's not a huge surprise. Oh, I was just about to say, I don't even think that they gave me a collector's guide. So let's look at the collector's guide first. So we have, I'm going to pronounce these names wrong. Please don't come for me. I don't always know how to say them, but we have Lazara, Eugene, Bianca, Enid, Wednesday in her dance pose, Wednesday in her nevermore pose. We have a metallic Wednesday. I hope I get that. We have Joseph Crackstone, Merlin. We have Thing. Oh my God, I want to get Thing so bad. That's what I want. The Hyde, Xavier, and Tyler. Hopefully I've said those right. So in the first nanopod, which is adorable, we got Bianca. Bianca. It's really up to you guys how you say it, but she is cute and adorable. I don't think she comes out of the nanopod, and the light isn't phenomenal, but Bianca looks adorable. I love that short haircut, and I love the purple and lilac dress that she's got on. Maybe try and see if I can get, let me see if I can get a light that might help shine that up a little bit more. So I did buy a stick light, which has been helpful in videos before. So let's see if it helps us. It's a little better. So this is what Bianca looks like. I'm trying to get the best lighting for you guys, but this will give you an indication of how pretty she is. And I love the fact that they kept with the purple nanopod, which is cute. Let's open our second nanopod. I actually should have maybe got myself a knife instead of a spoon. But hey ho. Let's see who else we got. Guys, keep your fingers crossed, please, 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 that we do not get a dupe. I do not want any duplicates. Come on. Open. Okay. And again, as soon as we pop it out of the box, there's going to be a spoiler. So, oh, it comes out the back way, which is good. Who did we get? We got a new one. Hey, I'm just going to refer to the guide. We got Joseph Crackstone. And he's a little bit easier to see, but I'm going to shine the light just to make it easier for you guys. He looks cross, but cute and adorable. And I believe these nanopods connect. They do connect. I just didn't do that one very well. Let's connect him. Cute. They are sitting on their sides, but that's fine. We will come back and fix that probably by the end of the video. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm just going to get a knife. This is hard work. Okay, hopefully that's the last time I have to leave. But, so let's go ahead and open our next one. Okay, and let's see who we got. So guys, we're now on halfway there. I bought 6 and we're on our 3rd. So let's see who we got. No, we got a duplicate. No, 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 no. We got Joseph. I'm just going to refer to his name again. We got, once I find him, Joseph Crackstone. I hope, Joseph, that is the last time I see you in this video, but we're going to go straight ahead and move on to our 4th. And guys, we've 2 left. Like I said, I am committed to getting this entire set. So we have 12 and I still have 10 to find. 10 to find. Please, 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 please don't let this be a duplicate. And maybe what I should have done was just buy the whole box. I didn't, but hey, we got a new one. This is an Enid. And Enid is actually pretty easy to see, but she is adorable and cute. She's got on this gorgeous little polka dot skirt with her stripy jumper. She's got a cute little smile on her face. And I love the wisp of color in her hair. I don't know if you guys can see it from there, but you can see it here. She is cute, so cute and adorable. And we're going to pop her right here. We're getting there. So we've got 3 out of 4, which I don't think actually is I don't think that's bad at all. So we're on to our penultimate. Who did we get? Let's pop our knife in and open them gently. Really, I'm not a lover of destroying your boxes. I don't know why, but I find it really irksome if I destroy a box. And I think I did that almost with the first one, but I do try very hard to not destroy the boxes. But let's all keep our fingers crossed. Oh, let's all keep our fingers crossed and hope that we get a new one. And I think you guys already saw that we did. Oh, how cute is this guy? This guy is Eugene, and Eugene is adorable. Eugene, you are so handsome. He has got a purple and black jacket. He's got some cute black slacks or trousers or pants, depending upon where you live. Loving the hair and the glasses. The glasses are an it for me. One thing I would note is that Eugene doesn't have a mouth. That's very strange. But I'm not upset because I got a new one. And it is cute and adorable. And I love how these connect. They connect so nicely. So we've got 4 out of 12. So I only need 8 more, which isn't actually bad. And just as an FYI, guys, I bought these at Poundland. They were £1.50, which I thought was pretty decent pricing because these actually retail for a lot more than that. So also probably why I'm as committed to getting the full set. I am sad that this is the Wednesday collection. And so far, I have no Wednesdays. Like none. That is really, really sad. But let's keep going. And with our last one. Kind of trying to feel the front. And I don't think it's Wednesday. And I don't think it's thing either. But I really want that one. So let's flip it around. Oh, we got a monster. We got the Hide. The Hide. Not a bad figure. He looks a little terrifying. A little bit terrifying. But not bad. But I didn't get any of the ones that I wanted. These ones are still cute. They're still adorable, but not Wednesday. Did not get Thing, which are the 2 ones that I wanted. So again, we have 5. I still need 7. So I'm going to keep going and go back and get more until I get the 7. But what did you think of Wednesday? Let me know in the comments section. We do have this guy again, but I'm not even going to put him on because he's a dupe. What do you think about the Wednesday series? Did you like it? I thought it was phenomenal. Aren't these little characters adorable? Let me know in the comments section below if you've done the whole collection. You've got the whole collection. That would be amazing. But guys, yeah, they're cute. They're adorable. And like I said, I am definitely committed to getting the entire set. But in particular, I would love Wednesday. And I would also love Thing. They would be my favorites to get. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. Please feel free to share with family and friends. Also subscribe. I couldn't barely say that, but I would love it if you guys could subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notification bells to be notified of any of my future videos. And stay tuned, because we will pick up where we left off on the Wednesday collection. Guys, please leave comments in the comment section. I'll come back to you whenever I can. And in the interim, stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.